Good afternoon to all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Bhai Chaudhary, and today's my topic is 5 area of SQL. So, what is SQL commands? SQL commands are instruction. It is used to uh, communicate with the database. It is also used to perform specific tasks, function, and queries of data. So, SQL can perform various tasks like create a table, add data to table, drop the table, modify the table, set permission for user. So type of SQL command, there are 5 types of SQL command: ddl, dml, dcl, tcl, and dql. So what is ddl? So ddl is a data definition language. So ddl change the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, alter uh, altering a table, etc. All the commands of ddl are auto commented, and that means permanently save all the changes in the database. So the ddl, some commands create, alter, drop, and truncate. So what is create? Create, it is used to create a new table in database. So in syntax of create, the create a table, table name, column name, and data type. So next one is a drop. So it is used to delete both the structure and a record stored in the table. Next one is a alter. Alter, it is used to alter the structure of the database. This change could be either to modify the characteristic of an existing attribute, or probably to add a new attribute. So next one is a truncate. Truncate, it is used to delete all rows from the table and free the space containing the table. So next one is a DML. DML is a data manipulation language. So DML commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all from a for all form of changes in the database. The command of DML is not auto committed. That means it cannot permanently save all the change in the database. They can be rollback. The some commands that come under the DML, it's insert, update, and delete. So what is insert? Insert, the statement is a SQL query. It is used to insert data into the row of table. So next one is a update. So update, this command is used to update or modify the value of a column in the table. So next one is a delete. So delete, it is used to remove one or more row for a table. So next one is a DCL. So what is DCL? DCL is a data control language. DCL command are used to grant and take back authority from any database user. So some commands that come under in DCL is grant and revoke. So what is grant? Grant, it is used to give user access privilege to the database. So next one is a revoke. Revoke, it is used to take back permission for the user. So next one command is a TCL. TCL is a transaction control language. TCL command can only use the DML command like insert, delete, and update only. These operations are automatically committed in the database. That's why they cannot be used while creating table on dropping them. So some commands come under the TCL is commit, rollback, and save point. So what is commit? Commit command is used to save all the uh, transaction of the database. Next one is a rollback. Rollback command is used to undo transaction that have not already been saved to the database. And next one is a save point. Save point, It is used to roll the transaction back to a certain point without rolling back the entire transaction. So fifth command is a dql. Dql is a data query language. So dql is used to fetch the data from the database. It is use only one command. It is select. So what is select? Select is this is the same as the projection operation of relation algebra. It is used to select the attribute based on the condition described by where clause. So this is the five query of SQL. Thank you.